Alison, Deyette, lifestyle expert and Sun Chips spokesperson, joins us now with some fun food and ideas for a successful ladies' night in. Sappy's in with me for this, all for a good cause.
Welcome
Thank
to
you.
join us.
I've been to some bachelorette parties. I can do this, yes.
All right, is it all about the food for ladies' night in?
Well, I mean, it's all about the food and, let's say, the drink and the laughter and catching up with your girlfriends and watching a fun rom-com and just about, I mean, anything that comes out, go with it.
Yeah.
So I've got some great little snack appetizers that I created with Sun Chips, because more than just eating straight out of the bag, whatever flavor you choose, I wanted to go a step further. And all of them are really simple to assemble. So our first one, you know what? If you want to go right ahead,
let's go.
Go right ahead. So this is, you're going to take some crumbled goat cheese.
Delish.
Drizzle some honey.
Okay.
And then add some toasted hazelnuts on top. So you can swap out any kind of nut and any kind of cheese that you like, but it's a simple little assembly, and I use the original Sun Chips flavor. So simple.
Is that delish?
Yeah.
Delicious.
This looks so, well, you'd also do activities while you're doing all this, right?
Yeah,
like have the
I mean,
food out.
to me, you open a bottle of wine, you get everyone in the kitchen, because isn't that where most of us spend our time when we have friends over?
Yep.
And then you assemble all your great snacks, and then you're gonna watch maybe rom-com, and then while we're making our little BLTs, this is the Sun Chips version of a BLT. We did it with the Harvest Cheddar chip.
Let's go.
So you're going to do, so it's literally the Harvest Cheddar chip,
oh my God,
the Sun chip, add a little mayonnaise, some arugula, some tomato, and then I did Pepsi candied bacon. So you cook your bacon with a Pepsi glaze. Yeah, isn't it amazing?
No.
Alison, this is a great thing.
Then,
I'm telling you.
Yeah. So while you're with your girlfriends, what I want to do is challenge everyone to take the Laugh-A-Lyzer test. Now, it's not, when I say test, we're not talking acid, you know.
Yeah,
right. Yeah, exactly. So Sun Chips created this Waves of Laughter campaign, because just like the Sun Chip itself that has the little waves, each one is different in shape, our laughter is different. We all have unique personalities. So if you go to laughwithsunchips.com and you take the quiz, which is essentially because you're watching some funny videos, you turn the microphone on your laptop, it records your laugh, and then you answer 3 questions about laughing, which we all have a good time with that, and then you share it online. So you share your laugh print on Facebook or Twitter. And here's the amazing part. Now, I know you took the quiz, right?
We got the same result.
We were the same one.
Charming.
Charming, yes. So you always see the silver lining. I got sociable the first time, the second time extroverted. Maybe I was just laughing a little more out loud.
Right.
And then you share it on Facebook and Twitter with your girlfriends, and everyone shares. Friends, family, guys can share their laugh print.
Sure.
And the bonus is, $1 of every share goes to Step Up. And Step Up is an organization about instilling and empowering the next generation of women.
I love this.
So I have been a member of Step Up for years, and we mentor teen girls to become confident, college-bound, and career-ready.
See, I love it.
Yeah,
we can
so
laugh, we can have fun, and
while you're having fun.
Yeah.
What's the final one over here?
Okay, the final one, I'm going to pass you some of these.
Is it a s'more?
It is the Sun Chips version of a s'more.
Good, Sappy.
So it is peanut butter, it is marshmallow fluff,
Alison, I have to say, these are
dark
actually
chocolate
delish.
sauce.
Yep.
And you use your little creme brulee torch, and then you top a raspberry on it. Isn't it?
Eating on camera has long been my nightmare, but this is so delicious.
And that's the original Sun Chip too, and you can find them at retailers nationwide, at a Walmart and at Amazon. But really the big deal here is that they have created this Laugh-A-Lyzer. It's this unique digital tool to assess your unique personality and your laugh print. And please share it on Facebook and Twitter, because while you share $1 with Step Up, 100,000 waves of laughter can go to create great change.
Thanks, Alison Brothers. By the way, our crew is already coming in here. They're looking at the Sun Chips. They want in on the action. We're going to bring them in. We're right back.
We're right back with Hits, the latest magazine spread.
It's for a good cause.
Right after these messages. I'm so excited to see it. I haven't seen it yet.
Get in here. Wait.